Let's have a look at the PS01 PIR sensor and touch sensing remote controller. So this is a sensor, and before using, we need to pair it to the target light. To pair the sensor to the light, we need to open the top cover first. The sensor is powered by cell battery. For regular version, it's powered by our CR2032 cell battery here, and the battery lifetime is approximately 1 or 2 years. And we also have a long life battery version. It will have a built-in battery inside the housing, and the battery can last for more than 5 years of regular operation. And for the long life battery version, after the built-in battery was used out, you can still install a main battery, CR2032, to extend the battery life. So it's not a one-time using. After opening the cover, we can find some instruction of how to pair or unpair the sensor. So here is the pairing key. To pair it to the target light, you just need to single press it. To double click this key, the sensor will enter the sleep mode. It will save the battery and extend the battery life to maximum. And to unpair the sensor from the light, you need to hold press this key. And also here is a QR code to download the Yumi Smart app for some advanced options. To pair the sensor to the light, you need to turn on the light and within 10 seconds press the pairing key. Now let's turn on a light, and in 10 seconds, press this key. So after pressing this key, the light is flashing and also the indicator here is flashing. That means the pairing is finished. After pairing, we can put the cover back, and we can use 3M tape in the packing to sticker to anywhere you want to install. Besides the PIR sensor, we can also use the touch key to turn on the light or dim or change the color. To turn on and off the light, the operation is quite simple, just to single press, just to click this key. It's on and off. To dim the light, just hold press. Now it's dimming up, release, and press again. It is to dimming down. And again, that is dimming up. To change the color of the light, you need to double click on this key and then hold press to change the color of light. Then double click this key. The indicator is flashing, and now you hold press the key. You can see the light of color is changing. Release. After a few seconds, the indicator will stop flash, and the hold press will switch back to dimming function again. Do it again. Double click, hold press. For the multiple channel lights, such as RGB plus white and RGB plus CCT lights, you can also switch the color mixing mode from the touch sensing key. The color mixing mode can be switched from white only, RGB only, or RGB plus white. To change the color mixing mode, you need to triple click on the key. So now the color mode is RGB, and let's try how it works. Triple click. Now it's switched to RGB plus white, and again, it's white only. Again, it's RGB only. So triple click is to switch the color mixing mode. There's also some advanced setting for the sensor. For the advanced setting, you need to download the Yumi Smart app first, and then activate the sensor from app detection. To download the app, you can scan the QR code here and download the Yumi Smart. And to activate the sensor from app detection, the operation is same as pairing the sensor to the light. Just press this key. And now from the app, on the Discover nearby, we can find this sensor, PS01. Tap on the sensor, there's a pop-up menu. From menu, we select the initial test and the setting. Now it opens the setup of the sensor. For the first setting, it's turn on brightness when human detected. That means what will be the light brightness after human detection? It can be 5 options, from last status to 100%, 50 and 20 and 10%. So this option is to set up when human detected what's the brightness of the target light. And for the second option is the turn on period after detection. We have 9 options from 5 seconds to 180 seconds. So that means how long the light will light up after human detection. The light will turn off after the seconds mentioned here. For the third option is the detection enable threshold of illuminance. That means the PIR sensor is only activated below the listed environment luminance. The default setting is always active, and you can also set to less than 100 lux to 10 lux. This option is to set up when the environment illuminance is okay and you don't need to turn on the light, so you can select the sensor only activated when the environment illuminance is below some level. And for the last setting is the human detection sensitivity. We have low, normal, and high 3 options. For the low sensitivity, the detection range is about 2 to 3 meters. And for normal, the detection range is about 5 meters. And for high sensitivity, it's about 8 to 10 meters. So that is the setting for the sensor. After the setting is finished, then click on the confirm on the app, and the setting will save to the sensor. And also the sensor will flash for several times, and that means the setting is saved in the sensor. Thanks for watching.